How do I add a TV to my YouTube TV account? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply log into your YouTube TV account on a browser. You can do it on your Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and after that go to your profile by clicking on the top right hand side corner, then select the option of settings. On this tab, you will be able to find the option of family sharing at the left hand side panel. Just simply click on it. After that, just sign up on your account and you can add up to 5 people over here. Just simply sign up, and after that click on the option of plus, and this way just log into your account which is on your TV as well. This way you would be able to add that particular account of your TV on your family sharing, and this way whenever you will try to access your YouTube TV on that particular TV, you would be able to do it quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.